Good evening. Dave here. How's everybody doing? Well, we come back to an evening, actually life at the farm 101, but it's actually evening. It's kind of hard to get out there at the middle of the night, go check the fields. More than anything else, the mosquitoes will kill you. You won't even walk 10 feet when half of them already suck your blood out. No, we're doing fine. Watermelons are going through. I didn't get a chance to look at them today. Everybody else had already closed early, but still. We had a small get together earlier today. It's time to clean up. Pretty much. Pretty much had a good time. Wow, it looked nice. We're really drunk. I'm gonna turn on the television real quick. They told me the internet wasn't working. I don't know if it's true or not, but I'm gonna look at the apps, go to YouTube, see if it's true or not. And sure enough, there's no internet. We are out here in the middle of nowhere, pretty much. The nearest internet is like maybe 10 miles away or so, at another warehouse. So we have a satellite system. We have a satellite dish pointing directly to the warehouse that's 10 miles away. So it's getting a signal, bouncing a signal to here, to the farm, and then bounces it to the house, bounces it to another shop. It bounces about 3 or 4 times, but it's strong. It's supposed to reach very strong here at the lake house. For some reason or another, this past severe thunderstorm that we had here pretty much knocked down or misaligned the signal more than anything else. But anyways, we have nothing to report other than the fact that watermelons are coming in. They're very healthy. They're very sweet. They're slowly coming in. We're getting about 150 bins per day, maybe more. Maybe more. We're doing good. As long as it doesn't rain, we should be able to come through with a successful harvest. Other than that, I got nothing else to report other than the fact that I heard today in the news, I'm not sure how true it is, that they might be opening up the Philippines. Going off topic, of course. Going off topic, I heard today that they're preparing the Philippines to get it opened up for tourism. Open up for the public. Hopefully that will go through, since I know they're suffering. Economically, they're suffering. There's no tourism coming in. There's no money coming in the economy. A lot of people depend on the economy to live. They need tourism in order to be able to live and survive. That's the pandemic really hit them hard also. Just not only them, but everybody around the world. I'm hoping that they'll be open by hopefully by the month of September is when I get my vacation, my paid vacation. And I'll be able to go out there for 15 days. Last year I wasn't able to go because of the pandemic. They closed the borders. I still took a week off as a vacation. I went up to the mountains to do some skiing, but bad idea. I used to do that when I was a kid, but I can't do that as an adult now because I was like suffering. I could hardly breathe because the altitude up there was very, very thin. You know, I couldn't walk 10 feet and I was already, choking the lack of air, lack of oxygen. So skiing in the mountains is no longer for me, not at my age. The rest of my cousins and my little brothers, they all had a good time, but it was affecting them also. They had problems breathing also. And the ski resort, they sold those bottles of oxygen. So I would breathe them in, and it would last a good 5 minutes, but then I had to breathe up again. And like, that's not my vacation. My vacation is the tropical islands of the South Pacific, scuba diving, shipwreck diving. There it doesn't affect me at all. It's the altitude of these mountains. It's not the altitude of the airline because they're pressurized. So anyway, y'all have a good weekend. Actually, what's left of this weekend, because this is Saturday. Technically, it's Monday already. It's not Sunday. Technically, it's Monday. It's 1:30 in the morning. I just came by to check on the lake house, put some stuff away, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the light and head back to check the other gates and stuff. So y'all have a good week. Stay safe. You still maintain the social distancing, because the coronavirus is still out there somewhere. But maintain your social distancing. Stay safe. Hopefully you went to the Christian church of your choice on Sunday with your family. And God bless all of you, not just the United States, but all over the world. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are around the world. Dave here. Bringing you a supplement update. Where we started this video was at the lake house in Lago Vista. Now we're at the barn in Lago Vista. This is where most of our tractors and equipment gets repaired from the everyday use. Now we got what we are proud of, the product that we grow at this farm is the watermelon. The famous Central Texas seedless watermelon, one of the sweetest watermelons you could ever taste. And big. Very, very sweet watermelon. We usually have this whole warehouse filled up. Luckily, we were able to get them all vacated out already. They're on their way to their appropriate destinations. mainly eastern seacoast, the eastern seaboard. The big companies like H-E-B and Walmart, Blitz, a few stores up in Florida also, North and South Carolina, Virginia and West Virginia, all the way up to Rhode Island. Because I know, because my daughter lives up there in Rhode Island, and she's seen the watermelons that we grow here in Central Texas, here at Lago Vista, Texas. There's some growers out of South Texas also. They have wonderful watermelons also. I have nothing to say about them. But we are here and we are proud to be able to feed America. Bring you our products so that you can enjoy a weekend festivity with your family members, a barbecue at the beach or at the lake, and cut open an ice cold watermelon. Sweet, very, very sweet, seedless watermelons is what we specialize in. So, that's all we have for today. We'll see what we have on tomorrow's blog. I'll try to keep you updated. Hopefully we don't have any rains coming in. We've been fortunate with rain, but it hasn't delayed our harvest. So we're doing good, and with the grace of God, we'll be better. I want to thank all of you for watching this video, and God bless all of you.